Hi, it's Jan Kelly here. Just a little video to show what's kind of nice about NeoVim with Treble and also lintr installed. I'm using Lunarvim. That's the layer on NeoVim that I'm using. Okay, so I'm looking at some code. You don't have to know what it is. It's our code. I actually have two files open, but I'm actually at the moment, I'll flick to the other. So you can see that there's colorizing. It's colorized. This is white. This one's coming out as like that kind of yellow color. It's a caution color, and you see this little caution symbol here. This is because I have nerd fonts this time. It has 6 sort of, I don't know, messages or warnings, or I don't even know. And I'm not exactly sure where these are coming from. They could be coming from lintr, which is the lint for R, or they could be coming from the language server protocol, the LSP for R. I'm not too sure which. So this is actual code I'm working on, and there's some errors here because I'm lazy and stupid and I type too fast and answering emails when I type and all that kind of stuff. So let's just have a quick little look here. So what I'm looking for, you could look on the left and find the caution symbol. You can see these, and you can also got my thing set up that I can do this, and then I can pop to the individual ones by clicking. But I'll just get rid of that for now. Okay, so legato dictionary is not defined. That's because I was calling it legato dictionary, and it seemed too long, so I decided to call it LD. So change in word LD. And this is it'll take a minute for that message to go away, but so that went away. That's good. So let's see, LD this is assigned but may not be used. I don't know if you can see this here, but I used a capital T for the this and a lowercase t for the this here. I don't really know which I prefer, but I'll change that one to a uppercase T. Just trying to see if there's any more of them there. There's one right here, I guess. On a faster machine, it would be giving these updates would come really quickly. Here it looks like they're taking about 5 seconds to come up. And there's one left over here, which I can see. I'm saving it in between. I don't think you have to save it in between, but I save files every 10 seconds. Okay, so there we go. They're all gone. Well, there's one warning message left, so let's see here. Oh, no, that was I was just trying to see the warning and nothing came up, and then you see it went away here. What's happening is that NeoVim, unlike Vim, NeoVim is multi-threaded. So it's running all kinds of jobs in the background. So while you're typing and moving the cursor around and whatnot, it could be doing lots of other stuff. So it's running this code analysis stuff in the background. It's really fantastic. Basically, all machines now have multiple cores that can do significant processing each, really significant processing each. And so one of the big features of NeoVim compared to Vim is that you can run it runs asynchronous jobs for you, which makes it possible to do this kind of code analysis and so forth. By the way, all this stuff is written in Lua, which is a pretty modern language, and it's quite fast. Okay, so I think it's pretty faster than Python. Okay, it's not as fast as C or whatever, but it's way faster than Vim script, the old Vim script. Well, that's what I wanted to say in this video. Greetings from a hot and humid Halifax, Nova Scotia. Take care. Bye.